Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best welding machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Femoral 140A 3-in-1 MIG welder. This machine brings versatility to the table with its MIG, lift, TIG, and stick welding capabilities, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks, whether you're working on home repairs or professional projects. It offers a reliable 140A output, allowing you to weld materials up to 1/8 inch thick. One standout feature is its synergic control, which automatically matches the welding voltage and wire feed speed to the wire diameter you select. For experienced welders, manual MIG control is also available for fine-tuned adjustments. The design is lightweight at just 8.9 pounds, making it incredibly portable with a convenient handle and shoulder strap. The LED digital display adds a modern touch, allowing users to monitor voltage and current in real time without removing their helmet. The accessory kit is another big draw, as it includes a welding torch, ground clamp, electrode holder, flex cord wire, nozzles, and an auto-darkening welding helmet. Everything you need to start welding right out of the box. However, the Femoral welder does have limited customer reviews, which might make it harder to gauge reliability over time. It's ideal for those looking for a versatile welding machine on a budget, but the 3.7-star rating suggests room for improvement in overall performance. Pros include its portability, multi-process capabilities, and extensive accessories, while cons include fewer user ratings and slightly lower reliability compared to competitors. At number 4, we have the Hapo 200-amp stick welder, which stands out as the most affordable option on this list at just $59.99. Despite its budget-friendly price, this machine delivers impressive performance with an adjustable current range of 20 to 200 A. It comes with 20 welding rods and can handle metal thicknesses from 0.06 to 0.2 inches, making it ideal for home repairs and small DIY projects. The advanced IGBT inverter control ensures smooth arc stability, deeper penetration, and better weld quality. Features like hot start, arc force, and anti-stick make it beginner-friendly by reducing the chances of the rod sticking to the molten pool. The design is super compact and lightweight, weighing only 3.7 pounds, so you can easily carry it to various job sites. It also includes essential accessories like gloves, chip hammers, and a manual, making it ready to use right out of the box. The built-in safety mechanisms, including overvoltage and overcurrent protection, combined with efficient heat dissipation, ensure reliable operation. On the downside, its lower price point means fewer advanced features compared to premium models. Additionally, while it performs well for its price, it's best suited for light-duty projects and hobbyists rather than heavy-duty professional use. Overall, the Hapo is an excellent budget option with great portability and decent performance for its price. Coming in at number 3 is the Saker Portable Electric Welding Machine. This welder integrates cutting-edge IGBT inverter technology for stable current and precise performance. It offers adjustable welding output from 20 to 120 amps with a 5-speed knob, making it versatile for a variety of tasks like automotive repair, goldsmithing, and ironwork. Its portability is a major highlight, weighing just 3.3 pounds and featuring a compact design. It's perfect for on-the-go use and easy storage. One of its standout features is its ability to handle multiple rod sizes, from 3/32 to 1/8, paired with a hot arc start function that ensures smooth arc initiation and clean welds. The built-in cooling technology and overheat protection make it safe and durable for prolonged use. Beginners will appreciate the automatic current adjustment, which minimizes spatter and simplifies arc initiation. However, while it's excellent for light-duty applications, its maximum output of 120 amps might not be sufficient for thicker materials or heavy-duty welding tasks. Additionally, Customer reviews rate it at 4.3 stars, suggesting solid performance but not quite as high as some competitors. Pros include its lightweight design, reliable arc performance, and affordability, while cons include limited power for larger projects. At number 2, we have the Welder 135-amp MIG welder, a versatile 3-in-1 machine that excels in flux core MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding. With a robust 135A output, this welder can handle mild steel workpieces up to 2/5 inches thick, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Its synergic control feature is perfect for beginners, automatically adjusting wire feeding speed and voltage based on your settings. The large LED digital display makes monitoring real-time current a breeze, allowing for precise control during welding. This machine is lightweight at just 11.4 pounds and comes with a carrying handle for portability. The included bonus flux core welding wire allows you to start welding right out of the box without the need for shielding gas. Safety features like automatic voltage compensation and protections against overcurrent, overload, and overheating ensure reliable operation. While it's a fantastic all-around machine, its price point is slightly higher than other budget options, and it requires additional accessories for lift TIG setups. Pros include its versatility, advanced digital display, and portability, while cons include its slightly higher price and added cost for TIG accessories. Ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and seasoned professionals, the Welder is a solid choice for mid-range welding needs. And finally, at number 1, we have the best MIG 135A welder. This premium option is the most powerful and feature-packed machine on our list, offering true 3-in-1 functionality for MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding. With a reliable 135A output, it can weld materials up to 1/8 inch thick, making it perfect for home workshops, DIY projects, and factory environments. Beginners will love the auto-adjusting digital technology, which simplifies setup and operation, while experienced welders can take full control with manual adjustments. The design is compact and portable, weighing just 16 pounds, but it doesn't skimp on durability. The full-color LED display offers unmatched clarity for monitoring welding parameters in real time. What sets the best MIG apart is its comprehensive accessory kit, including a welding gun, ground clamp, electrode holder, auto-darkening welding helmet, and leather gloves, everything you need for safe and efficient welding. While it comes at the highest price point on this list, its exceptional versatility, reliability, and comprehensive kit justify the investment. Pros include its robust performance, advanced digital control, and included accessories, while cons are limited to the higher cost. The best MIG 135A is the ultimate choice for professionals and serious DIYers seeking top-notch performance and convenience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.